Hello everyone, I am Miss Sonam and today we are going to talk about some school related vocabulary. So let's begin. School is a place where we learn and play. So now let's learn about few words related with school. We are going to start with school rooms and places. This one is principal's office. Principal's office. Classroom. Classroom. Library. Yes, library. Computer room. Computer room. This one is art room. Art room. Music room. Music room. Staff room. Staff room, where all the teachers used to sit together. Staff room. Playground. Playground.
Auditorium. Auditorium. Laboratory. Laboratory.
Now let's talk about people at school. Principal. Principal. Teacher. Teacher. Classmates. Classmates. Students. Students. Janitor. 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 Cook. Cook. Librarian. Librarian, who is in charge of library. Librarian. Coach. Coach. Sports teacher. Coach.
Pune. Pune.
Now let's talk about electronic devices and equipments that we use in a school. First one is computer. There are many words related to computer. For example, monitor, monitor, keyboard, keyboard, speaker, speaker, mouse, mouse, CPU, Central Processing Unit, CPU. Now, apart from computer, we use projector, projector, digital board, and screens. Other objects that we can see in a school are chair, chair, table, desk, bench, backpack, compass, globe, books, notebooks,
Scissors. Clip. Pin. Paper clip. Tape. Glue stick. Paintbrush. Watercolor. Crayons. Ruler. Divider. Green board. Whiteboard. Pencil. Sharpener. Eraser. Stapler. Pencil pouch. Calculator. Certificate. Badge. Uniform. Bell. School bus.
So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.